Question 1. Find the values or range of values of p such that this equation has two equal roots. Okay, so we have to know if b square minus 4ac less than 0, we will get no real roots. If b square minus 4ac equals 0, we get two same roots. If b square minus 4ac more than 0, we will get two different roots. So here they said two equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Alright. Okay. First, let's rearrange this one all to make it into the general form. So we bring 4px over here, will become negative 4px plus p plus 1 equals to 0. So from here, our a is 9, our b is negative 4p, and our c will be p plus 1. Okay, then we put it all into the equation. So we know b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So this is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. We expand 16p square minus 36p minus 36 equals to 0. Then from here we have p square, p and a number. So we have to factorize lah. So before factorizing, let's simplify it first. This whole equation can be divided by 4. So if we divide this by 4, we get 4p square minus 9p minus 9 equals to 0. Then we factorize. Okay, 4, negative 9, we get x equals to negative 3 over 4. Right. Sorry, p equals to negative 3 over 4. That one. The other one is p equals to 3. So putting it into the bracket here will be 4p plus 3 and p minus 3. This would be the values of p. We need to put it back into the bracket because this is part of the working lah. Okay, for factorization. Done. Let's look at p. So this equation has two real and different roots. So two real and different roots will be this one. So b square minus 4ac will be more than 0. Right. So x square plus 2x plus 3x equals to p. This bracket is here. Okay, so we expand and then we rearrange. Here 2x times x is 2x square, 3 times x is 3x. P we bring here negative p. So 3x square plus 3x minus p equals to 0. Then b square minus 4ac is more than 0, right? So this is our a, b and c. So 3 square minus 4a c more than 0. This will be 9 plus 12p more than 0. So from here we make p the subject, 12p is more than negative 9, and therefore p will be more than negative 9 over 12. So this one we can simplify, giving us negative 3 over 4. So this will be our final answer for B. Done. Let's look at C. Has no real roots. No real roots means b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay. Right. So let's expand this and simplify. X square plus 2px plus p minus 1 and p minus 3. Let's expand this. So we get x square plus 2px plus p square minus 3p minus p plus 3. So now, we can still simplify it. So x square plus 2px plus p square minus 4p plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, now let's separate it to a, b and c. A will be the coefficient of x square, which is 1. B will be the coefficient of x, which is 2p. And C will be everything that doesn't have x. So this whole thing will be C. So C is p square minus 4p plus 3. Okay, this is quite a long equation. Let me see, make it smaller a bit. Okay, we do here. So we know b square minus 4ac will be lesser than 0. Let me sub in. B is 2p, a will be 1, and c is this whole thing less than 0. Okay, we expand 4p square. This one will be negative 4p square. Negative 4 times negative 4 is plus 16p. Negative 4 times 3, negative 12, less than 0. So 4p minus 4p is 0. Therefore 16p minus 12 is less than 0. 12 we bring that side. Sorry, just 12. Then making p the subject will be 12 over 16. So p will be 3 over 4. So this one we divided by 4 lah. Okay, both of these we simplify, divide by 4, divide 4, we get 3 over 4. Done. This is our final answer.